This is the Iowa Weather Report for Saturday, November 24th, 2012. And now, our first look at the 0Z GFS Model Run. At noon today, we have a trough moving across the eastern Great Lakes in the New England states, with some energy also moving across the U.S.-Canadian border. And winds around here will be switching back to the south and southwest. Highs today in the mid-30s east to near 40 or maybe low 40s in the western counties with partly to mostly sunny skies. Sunday will be a skosh warmer with highs in the 40s to maybe close to 50, especially in our far southern counties with still mainly sunny skies. And on Monday, as we start off the new work week, we have a storm system, fairly weak one at this, with some snow across South Dakota and Nebraska, and also some rain in the Gulf Coast. That'll congeal and move to the east. There could be some light snow late Monday night into Tuesday morning across the western counties, but it'll dry out as it moves east. So Tuesday it'll be cooler, back into the 30s and low 40s. Same goes for Wednesday, 30s to low 40s, as we have pretty much the dividing line between the really cold air and the warm air to our south and southwest. We head to Thursday. Be a bit warmer as the high pressure will be to our east. Winds will be coming back around to the south, so temperatures at least in the 40s for highs by this point. We head to Friday. We have a disturbance that'll be just to our east that will have moved across to our north. So some rain and snow over there, but nothing around here. And a week from today, our attention will now turn to a trough moving into the west from the Pacific, some energy in Northern California and some heading towards Southern California. And that'll bring some showers, some mountain snow in the Sierra Nevadas, and maybe up into the Cascade Mountain range of Washington and Oregon. But around here, the Gulf looks to open up, and maybe we could get an isolated shower around here. We'll see. A couple days later, on December the 3rd, that trough at the west coast moves eastward, and it's going to be a doozy if this is right. The energy over the Dakotas and into Nebraska, and it'll be bringing a low pressure system, maybe near Watertown, South Dakota. Showers, maybe some thunderstorms if this is right. We could have highs back into the 50s if this is right, so we have to watch this on future runs. A couple days after that, on the 7th, that trough is now off to our east over the Great Lakes in New England. A ridge trying to build itself up into western Canada, but we still have a northwesterly flow, and that's going to keep temperatures fairly cool around here if this is right, with some lake effect snow across the Great Lakes and into New England. And at the end of the forecast, a few days later on the 9th, we have pretty much tranquil weather around the area. Some rain and snow in the northwest, some rain in South Texas, and a storm system moving off the east coast. Last night's satellite image showed some cloudiness with the new storm moving across the northern Rockies and the Pacific Northwest. Some cloudiness also across the Texas Gulf Coast, and some cloudiness with the cold front that came through the other day across New England into the mid-Atlantic. Key watch warning map from last evening. Winter weather advisories in Montana. Lake effect snow advisories across the snow belts of the eastern Great Lakes, some winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings in the northern Great Lakes, and a freeze watch in the Gulf Coast. QPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days through Wednesday evening at 6 o'clock, showing there's that strip of what will be snow across South Dakota, Nebraska, and possibly into Iowa, while the rain to our south and east will be moderate to heavy.